The sudden death of Cyrus Mistry, the Shapoorji Pallonji Group's scion, has given the group a double blow. Mistry's father, Pallonji Mistry, had died on June 28, and now Cyrus Mistry's untimely demise has brought the focus back on the 157-year-old multi-billion-dollar group. Investors are worried about the group's succession plan, as they remain unsure if either of Mistry's two sons, Firoz and Zahan, is ready to take charge.
You see, I said the companies have been running professionally. That is not an issue. So that part I think is not to be seen as worried. But who's going to be the next mentor? He has two sons, but I think whether they are in a position to take over the activity right now or maybe later is something which is not known.
On the bourses, shares of Shapoorji Pallonji Group companies traded mixed on Monday. Eureka Forbes shares, where Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited held nearly 9% stake at the end of the June quarter, fell 1% on the BSE as against 0.75% gain in the benchmark Sensex index. Those of Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy and Forbes and Company, meanwhile, tumbled 0.61% and 5%. Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited held 25% stake in Sterling and Wilson RE at the end of June 2022, while Cyrus Pallonji Mistry and Pallonji Mistry held 0.38% stake each in their individual capacities. As regards Forbes and Company, Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited held 72.56% stake at the end of June 2022. That said, analysts say Mistry was only acting as a promoter in these listed companies, and hence they don't anticipate serious implications of his death on the company's future trajectory from a long-term perspective.
But yes, I mean, this will surely have an effect, no doubt, because end of the day, he was seen as someone who's steered it out of the sort of debt trap they're getting into and stuff like that. But then what we've seen typically in the past is that, such large groups, have proper second and third line. So we could have an initial knee-jerk, but then finally, I think it should settle down.
From investment standpoint, analysts say investors should stay put and avoid any impulsive decision. However, they caution that market participants should avoid buying the dips amid uncertainty. On Tuesday, markets will react to the outcome of the OPEC Plus meeting and eye other global triggers.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.